Good morning, Facebook family. It's Henry with Henry's Kitchen, and I wanted to show you that I am underway with my bake for the farmer's market. I've got some tartine bread here that just finished its 24-hour pre-ferment in the, actually not 24, 12-hour pre-ferment in the refrigerator. This stuff is very elasticy and extensive. I've got some sourdough going there, a seeded sourdough loaf going here. These all just came out of the long pre-fermentation. This one is a seeded sourdough loaf under here. I'll wake them up in a minute. And when I make the white bread, sandwich bread, I always do a pre-ferment. So this is a part of the dough that I've let sit for 12 hours. That'll be added into the rest of the recipe, which this will give it much, much more flavor. And you see my beautiful baskets, don't you? These are from Brotts, and the kind people at Brotts sent me some baskets over the weekend to help me with my efforts here. And let me tell you, these are, without question, the best. And they've got, you know, the interior is like this. This is me seasoning it so that dough doesn't stick. And I've got my sourdough starter here and here. I've just fed them, so they're not as bubbly as they might otherwise be. Oh, he's bubbly already. I've just used everything I needed, 2 of them, most of them, and I have just refed them. So they'll get much more active as we approach the end of the day. But I've got a lot going on, and I'm all stuffed up. So guys, come see me at the farmer's market, and I'll tell you how to get in touch with Brotts and buy some of my bread. See you soon. Bye-bye.